What? There's gift certificates? Yes. Did you know that you can get gift certificates for Paparazzi? Meaning, yes, you can provide gift certificates to your customers. Now, why would you want a gift certificate? Think back to why you get gift certificates now, or gift cards, right? They're not as popular as they were years ago because now there's just so many other options. But when you're in the checkout line at the store, there's gift certificates for everything, right? For dinner at this restaurant, this, that, and the other, okay? So why not do it with your Paparazzi business, okay? So hey everybody, it's Jen, and I'm going to teach you today a bit about gift certificates. Now, within any network marketing business that you can be in, a gift certificate could be a printed piece of paper. Now, I created these, so I will give you guys these. This is just a printed piece of paper that you can create in Canva, in Pic Collage, whatever. I personally love Canva on my PC, so I can print these out. Super simple. Just takes a little bit to learn, but you got this, right? Now, or there is digital options that you can do. There's also ones that you can get cards for. I've seen them through Square, I believe. But the reason for a gift certificate is because Sally loves your jewelry. Yes, she does. She thinks it's amazing. But her friend Linda hasn't really seen much, and she knows her friend Linda's birthday's coming up, and she wants to get Linda a gift, but she doesn't know what Linda's gonna like. So she purchases a gift certificate from you to give to Linda, so that way Linda can purchase her own things from you, okay? So that's why, you never know. Now, gift certificates are used most often around the holidays, birthdays, Mother's Day, things like that. And you want to capitalize on that. You want to be able to make that extra by offering this to your customers, okay? So when you create a gift certificate, whether you do it on Canva, Pic Collage, whatever, there's lots of things out there. You want to make sure you have the to. Who it's it to? The amount. Now, when I do the amount, I always put the dollars and cents. So if somebody is getting a $25 gift certificate, I will write $25 or 25.00, okay? It's just to not have any confusion, okay? And then I write in who it's from. So Susie Q gives it to Linda, so I'll write to Linda from Susie Q, okay? And then I have an expiration date. Always have an expiration date. How many of you have gift certificates that you've never used? Or gift cards? They lose their value after so long. Did you know that? Yes, it can happen. So on your gift card, usually 3 months is a good number because you want your recipient of that gift card to use it, to not lose it. Because the longer we have things, we lose them. Yep, we're human, right? People lose them. So if you put that expiration date on there, make sure again, because we are in 2020 right now, if it expires on June 12th, 2020, okay? December 31st, 2020. Whatever you decide, whether your policy is 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever it is, make sure you have that full expiration date, okay? With the zeros or 2021 or whatever, right? You totally want that on there. Up in the right-hand corner, when I do mine, it has a number. You want to keep track of your gift certificates, because if you give a gift certificate to Susie, Misty, Linda here, Carrie over here, and you're like, I don't know how many gift certificates I have out, that's not good, okay? So a tracking sheet that you can write on a notebook, right? You want to write the who purchased it from you, the date they purchased it, the amount, who it went to, and you want the information of the person that purchased it from you. So if Linda purchased this gift certificate, you want Linda's full name that you can find her on social media, and maybe her phone number, just in case she bought it for Misty and Misty hasn't used it yet. That way you can contact Linda and say, hey, Misty hasn't used it and it expires in a week. I don't want your money to go to waste. That's good customer service. Now, if you just ignore it and say, oh, it's canceled. Ha! I made 20 bucks. No, you didn't. You didn't. Yes, you got the money, but the customer service, where she finds it 3 days after it's expired, she's going to be all bummed out. If you go above and beyond and message her and say, hey, your friend's gift certificate has not been used, and I just wanted to follow up with you because I hate for her to lose out on that 20, 50, or hundreds of dollars, right? You don't want those gift certificates wastage. You want them shopping from you, because the person that purchases that gift certificate for her friend may be your next awesome customer. She may be your next team member. You never know. That's why good customer service follows up. When you do a gift certificate, I charge the person, if I have tax, and I charge shipping. Okay. So if say she does a gift certificate for $20, make sure you charge the person purchasing the gift certificate for her friend any tax or any shipping. That way the person that gets it, right, yay, I got a gift certificate, does not have to pay you tax and shipping to get her stuff, right? It's a complete gift. Okay. Now, if you do pickup, fantastic. If you do delivery, fantastic. But if you are shipping, make sure the person purchasing that certificate from you in advance, you can say, hey, is it okay if I charge you the tax and shipping? Or do you want me to mail it to you or whatever? Figure those things out, okay? On the gift certificate, have your information. So like have your name, have your Facebook shopping group if they shop from there, wherever they shop from. So if it's Facebook, if it's Twitter, wherever it is, if you have a website and they can shop from your website, whatever your way that they can get a hold of you, you want to make it as easy as possible. Plus, you don't want a ton of stuff on your gift certificate, so keep it simple. Your name, how they can get a hold of you, like I said, the website. But also, I call it the mug shot. You want a picture of you, right? People remember you better by a face with a name. They will. The more that you have your name with your face, they are going to remember, oh, she's the jewelry lady. I got that gift certificate. I better use it, right? So you want to do that. Let's see what else. Phone number, if you want a phone number. Your website from Paparazzi is absolutely free, but make sure that if they say, hey, I found this on your website, that you say, okay, I have to order that, and it takes time to come in, because you can direct them to where you have any albums or any of your live shows, so they can shop directly from you, and you have those pieces on hand, right, that you can get them shipped out. So if you guys found value in today's tip, drop tip sheet down below. If you are in my team, it will be uploaded in our team page. If you see this on YouTube, like, subscribe, share the video. You guys enjoy your day. This is Jen Gear. We'll see you later.